All right. This part's for George. One, two, three, four, five. Look, why do I have not the correct number of stuff? It's another fresh case for you, George. Just for George. We're doing fresh cases. Boxes are the run back. Alright, good luck, everybody. Do a couple series 1 to start out with. Feel like we've had some good luck on some things last couple nights. Runbacks in the store. There's a football in the store. Tomorrow's another big release day. How's everybody doing? You guys good? We're due for like a deluxe or an exclusive of a huge name. Guys, don't let me forget at the end of this break, we're giving away a box of Series 2. Andy, I owe you a box. So when you come pick up your stuff next Friday, remind me. first 3 flying base cards. For the Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner on the renew. And Poland for the Avalanche. Ryan O'Reilly on the Outburst. It's always Ryan O'Reilly and Travis Konecny. Stuart Skinner for the Oilers, clear cut. And Jasper Wallstedt for the Wild. Goalies. Draisaitl. JT Miller. Trade deadline's tomorrow at noon, right? Ethan Bear on the black. Zellweger for the Ducks. Yeah, we've already had some crazy stuff. Descharnay, Del Mastro. The only Easter egg we had was Swagnificent yesterday. Brett Burns on the Wild and Kuznetsov for the Flames. Where's Jamie? We're doing hockey. Jamie, are you even here? Stamkos, Scott Morrow. Box 2. Matthew Crozier for the Lightning. Who took the Lightning? Herzig. That was the Outburst Young Gun. Black and white Eichel. Nadu for the Hurricanes. And Ruslan Ishikov. Nadu was a canvas. Oh, man. McDavid Dazzler. It's so mean and so true. Deluxe out of 250. Quinn Hughes. He might be out for the season. Colin Graff for the Sharks. Zaka Marchand. Rutu Brisson for the Knights. Couture, Jeff Carter, and Gage Gonzalez. Cutter for the Ducks. Who is the Ducks? Brian. Brian's going to get another 17-pound package. Senators and Del Mastro. Box 3. Flower on the Penguins. St. Ivany Penguinos. Ty Carte. Clayton Keller. Young Guns Canvas. Shabanikov for the Jets. And Colin Graff again. Tavares, Colangelo. Ishikov for the Islanders. Kemper, Nyes. Brian, I'm not 100% sure I marked you down for your teams in 4. So if you are still here when 4 hits, remind me. I just thought of that. Nathan McKinnon. Joshua Roy. I mean, they're out of the store. So I'll figure it out eventually. Hagel, Marchenko, nothing. Pop count, 1K. 500. Tristan Jarry for the Penguins. And in Fung's face, Logan Stankoven for Los Stars. Stars are Seabrig. It's the one we want. Now we need an exclusive of Stankoven or Cutter or Lane or... somebody. You got the guy who you want on the team that you want, or that you won. So yes and no. It's a 3 at best, sir. 3 at best. I know, that'll be a pop 1. You can ask whatever you want on it. It's a pop 1. $70 million higher. But you want to build your PSA rainbow, you need a 3. And you need a 1. And you need a 2. Whose autos? Stankoven? Unfortunately, they took all the autos out of Series 1 and Series 1, Series 2, and I believe update a while ago. They took out jerseys last year. So, Stankoven has some autos in Black Diamond and artifacts that sell pretty well. So you are looking for like numbered Young Guns or like the Outbursts. Those are the exclusives, and the clear cuts do very, very well. So. I mean, I wish they would put in like Easter egg Young Gun autos of these guys, which would be super cool, but it's traditional, so they're never going to do it. The purists would scream bloody murder. Cole Perfetti. Canvas for the Flames. Jan Kuznetsov and another Brisson for the Knights. Slowly stacking small cards. Out of 250, Alex Laferriere for the Kings on the deluxe. We got Duchesne and that. And Graham Clark for the Devils. Jack Hughes. Right, Garrett, Jack Hughes out for the rest of the season? That sucks. Best player on the Devils. It's Cam Ward for the Hurricanes and Velada for the Yotes / Utah Hockey Club. Oh, he got traded to the Rangers? Nice. Malkin, Fedotov. There's been so many freaking trades. Like, we were busy because one of my workers didn't show up today. Swagnificent! Speaking of Rangers, that is Chris Kreider. We got a Nadu for the Canes. So many trades. Connor McDavid canvas, JT Miller, Liam Ogren. But the big question is Rantanen getting traded again? Nemec. Lawson Krause, Yotes / Utah. Do we think? Ooh, Young Gun Blacken. That does not suck. For the Canadians, Brian. That's a nice one. It's a very nice one. Hudson. Black and white canvas. Well, didn't they say... Yeah, Nelson, I saw that report today. Jasper Wallstead, very nice for the Wild. Wild and Vito on the canvas. And Osabuchuk. Didn't they say Quinn Hughes is going to be out for the rest of the year for the Canucks? And the Canucks are a possible landing spot for Rantanen? Man, all hockey talk all the time. Wow, 4 inserts? This box is weird. What is this something? Nope. That pack was weird. Or I don't know. City Satellites, Rempe. I'm gonna have to look after we log off for every trade that happened. McDavid. Marchand. Shabanikov, which is not right. I don't know. I don't pretend to know hockey like crazy anymore. Stajan, Velada. But this trade deadline is insane. Swayman, Coyle. Popcat 1K. All we do is pull. Kale Makarj. Ash Deep for the Canucks. TJ Oshie, Jan Kuznetsov. I don't think they do either. I think they're too far away and they want to preserve what they're doing. But Canucks maybe. I think Quinn got announced possibly too today. Jamie Benn. Othman. I think that's what they were saying because we're watching. We had the Sabres Lightning game on earlier. Nyes on the Outburst. Kochkov, clear cut. Marat for the Wild. I don't even know who won that game. It was 5-5 when I stopped paying attention. Alright, Series 1's coming to an end. McDavid. Another Wallstead for the Wild. Wild doing very well, Vito. Hitting the top guys on their teams. And Seabrook wins again. Stankoven number 2. Stanky Oven for Seabriggs. Stanky leg. Do the leg. Do the stanky leg. Tim Thomas and Shakur. Alright, Series 1 time for these boxes. Going to end with a Yossi and a Fedotov. Alright. Series 2 time, gentlemen. We are searching for Macklin, Celebrini, and Michikov. There's some other slightly lower names that are long-term holds and some Easter eggs. Let's see, Flyers are Whitlock, and GV Sports Cards has the Macklin Celebrinis. Good luck, guys. Yes. And you have a quantity of inserts into a free box. And I think you're still free rolling with your free box Macklin Celebrini. Yep. Even aren't just the base ones like 20 bucks? I think we pulled a high gloss for Chris when Series 1 came out. I think it was Kucherov or someone for the Lightning. I mean, I wonder how much the McDavid is. We pulled the McDavid out of both cases that are open for the Series 2 ones. Yeah. It's funny, like $5, $5, $10, $2, $3. If you have a million cards, it adds up. Yeah, but a McDavid high gloss one would be insane. Yeah. I mean, I just send the $5, $10 stuff to ComC, but ComC lately has been kind of slow. And I can't find any like good cards for deals on there anymore. I also like ran a ton of stuff on their auctions, and now we got Jasper Wallstead 500 and Kaprizov. Yeah, I mean, I really like the idea of the renewed ones, but it should be like 4 a case, like a canvas Young Gun. Aho. I think they'd sell a little better. I don't think there needs to be 3 a box. Joel Blomquist for the Bruins. PSA 2. Canvas Brett Burns for the Hurricanes, black and white. Yeah. There's so many in Series 2. Jackson Blake, Hurricanes, canvas, Rupe. I really like the on tours. That's a cool idea. O'Brien, Utah. And George, first box mojo. Base Macklin Celebrini. We did it, George. We did it. Hopefully, every case, we've opened 2 cases so far, and both cases had 2. So, this will be the one with 1, because George has them. Malou. Poulter. LaRue for the Preds. Hudson. Ratti. Cooley. Box 2. Come on. Something crazy numbered. Larkin. Ivan. Lane Hudson. Ottinger. Scanlon for the Rangers. Clear cut is Tage Thompson on the Sabres. And shiny on tour for the Littman. It's just a canvas. Bedard, not sparkly. Mancini. And Jusaros? Nope, Cole Smith. Deluxe out of 250. Matthew Tkachuk on the Flames. Musil for the Devils. Comesso. Canvas, Rutger McGroarty for the Penguins. Miko. Gavrikov for the Kings. And Celebrini Will Smith on the duel. I like that idea. There goes runbacks in the store. We are on box 3 of Series 2. Derek Ryan, so many deluxes at 250. Zach Tage Thompson, also known as Tage Thompson, not Zach Thompson. Klapka, such a good hockey name. Young Gun canvas for the Islanders, Maxim Soplakov. Pasternak. And outburst for the Islanders, Soplakov outburst. Cutter and Zellweger duel. Are those selling at all? Or are they like the checklists? Comesso. I feel like we've had this box before. Are we going back to back? Brock Nelson to the Avs. Lucas Raymond. Soplakov. Macklin Celebrini. And Nolan Allen. Clear cut. For the Blackhawks and Corey. Cameron Butler. Inbox. What'd they get, Tom? Do we even know yet? What did they get? See this isn't a hockey discussion, but the Seahawks want a first and a third for DK. I mean, it's Brock Nelson, right? He hides in the Islanders because the Islanders aren't great. He's a UFA after this year too, right? Ooh. That's crazy. So where's Rantanen going, Tom? Brody says the Panthers. I kind of hope he goes to the Canucks, but where's he going to go? They have to trade him because he's not going to re-sign. Well, if Nelson got a first and a third, what does Rantanen get? A couple of firsts? That price just went way up. It'd be awesome if he came out to LA. He can be the Kevin Fiala that we always wanted. What's it? Noon tomorrow's the deadline, right? So a great trade for the Isles. Jeez. For the Seattle Kraken. Is that big time Shimmy Jims? That is big time Shimmy Jims. Logan Morrison. Deluxe out of 250. And all we do is pull Cale Makars. Zuber for Utah. Jack Hughes. And Marchenko. There we go. Matvev. Michikov for the Flyers. Whitlock and the Flyers. Solid 6. We still have 2.5 boxes to go. Romanov. Michikov. Bussy. Teuvo. Nolan Allen. For the Ducks, Trevor Zegras. He hasn't gotten traded, right? He doesn't want to be there. Nazar. Noah Phillip. Trevor Zegras has zero desire to be in Anaheim. Oh, such a tease. For the Sharks, Outburst. That is Zach Thompson. Not even close to the photo, but you could have tried Rucker for the Penguinos. Klapka, Cutter. Robert Thomas. Yeah. Don't they have like 17 young guns? It's a sweat, but it's not a massive sweat because there's like 4 or 5, right? I do have boxes if anyone wants a box. It'd be from a fresh case. Oscar Back. Seamus Casey. Guy Lafleur is the legend. Austin Matthews. Ovi. He has a canvas. I know that. I think he's in Series 1, though. Dylan Larkin. No, he's not in Series 1. I don't know if he's in this. There's too much stuff going on. Connor Geeky, Lamoureux. Fluorescence for the Canes. Bradley Nadeau. Campaignin. And box. Alright, last box mojo. McDavid, Heater, Kemp, Halonen, Anders Lee, Shane Wright, Bussy again, Wallstead, Deluxe for the Kraken, Shane Wright, Travis, it's always Travis Konecny. Celebrini Michkov. Roll the dice for that, because that is George and Paul. Thank you, Jamie. Campaigning. You don't want to see what we hit for the Canadians, Jamie. Should have bought him. Cooley. Nice. You were here and you didn't say anything? You didn't curse my name? Callum Ritchie, who just got traded, is how we're going to end the break. I didn't realize we were at the end. All right, guys, 2 things to do. We're going to roll the dice for this checklist card. Yeah, black and white's sick. So odd will be left, even will be right. So odd is Celebrini, right is Macklin, or Mitchkup. Odd is left, even is right. Even, Paul. Gonna get that, and we're gonna give away a free box. So whoever's on top after 9 times on the teams, good luck, everybody. We're going to give away a free box. All right, guys, everybody in. 9 times. We should have 32 names. Good luck. 1. We do have 32 names. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, and final. Good luck. 9. The Los Angeles Kings. Told you, Brody. Brody, again.